All right, guys, all eyes are on Bitcoin. So you know how we do. Let's play the song, All Eyes on Me. Here's Bitcoin. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, bingo, bango.
Yeah. For those that don't know, my name is Bitcoin, the OG, the crypto godfather. Charts don't lie, candles don't sleep, markets move. When I speak, all eyes on me when the price go parabolic. For those that don't believe, keep watching, it's symbolic. BTC, all eyes on me. The block's been mine, the prophecy. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. BTC, all eyes on me. Stacking sats in the shadows, DCA every dip. When bears start talking, that's when real ones flip. Charts bleeding red, fear in the zone. Bitcoin built this throne on blockchain stone. Bitcoin, watch the weak get wrecked when greed hit max. Wallets disconnect, trust the math, not the hype you see. Bitcoin talking back like all eyes on me. Huddle through pain, through having and war. Every dump just fuel for the bull encore. Liquidity traps, fade that noise. This ain't luck, it's calculated. All eyes on me when the charts go wild. I'm the reason that the future smiles. For those that don't believe, keep watching, BTC, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. BTC, all eyes on me. All coins are cool, they beat a rabbit. Greed to thrash your wallet, now that's a bad habit. My name is Bitcoin, secure that win. Discipline's the code, where legends begin. I'm Bitcoin, the turtle, I'm slow but steady. Accumulate quiet, then bags become too heavy. Breakout candle, they come as fuel to flame. Every all-time high just etches my name. Resistance flip, retest confirm. Patience pays, that's what trader will learn. From Tokyo blocks to Wall Street seats, the blockchain beat is where real ones meet. They laughed in 2013, they mocked in 2017, they cried in 2021, and now they follow the king. Every half in the coronation, every all-time high revelation. They called me a fraud, a pyramid scheme. Now they saying Bitcoin reigns supreme. All eyes on me when the price go parabolic. For those that don't believe, keep watching, it's symbolic. BTC, all eyes on me. Crypto godfather, the prophecy. For those that don't believe, keep watching, For those that don't believe, keep watching, For those that don't believe, keep watching, BTC, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. BTC, all eyes on me. Respect the charts. Trust the OG. Secure your future. All eyes on me.
3, 2, 1, let's get it. Bingo, bango, bingo, and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time. That's right, to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade without the tuition. We show you for free. And so happy you guys are here. Of course, people are still getting used to the new times. We are doing 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And tomorrow we're going to be doing a bonus stream. The bonus stream will be at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, in addition to the 9 p.m. I'm going to do that tomorrow and the following day. So a bunch of people in the Discord are saying, oh man, I can't make it because, you know, it's the time I do X, Y, and Z. So I'm actually losing viewers. It's like, no, it's going the opposite way of what I'm trying to do. But tomorrow I'm going to be doing 12 p.m. and a 9 p.m. So that's tomorrow and the following day. Then we may be doing some early morning streams. We'll see. If not, maybe do a video. But special shout out to Al. Al was number 1. Thank you, Al. Appreciate you, man, for being here. We got the real K Diggity in the house. Thank you, K Diggity. Appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully more people join in. And if not, I understand, because there is Crypto Billy doing his X Space right now. That's where a lot of the the people who normally watch me, they're more than likely, showing support to him, which is good. Crypto bubbles on the daily, nothing too crazy. Pi up 12.5%. About Euro is also up. If you have any coins that you want me to do, let me know, and we'll see if potentially we can enter these trades. Now, we did enter a trade last night. It was Link, and it was doing okay, and then it did not want to get above that VWAP. It tried. I was looking at it, and sure enough, it went down. See here, Real K Diggity says we got to get people used to the slot. Oh yeah, that's for sure. Been killing that Asia time. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's do it. Yeah, so our short our long ended up getting stopped out, and then it went up. I was like, oh, come on, man. It went right to our stop loss too. I was like, you trying to take my $1? But it happens. Let's go here to the hourly. We got Trump up. We got Zcash up 2%. Pi up. Nothing's going crazy. Markets, I don't know about you guys, but to me, the market is looking not so good. Not so good. Let's go to the altcoin season index. We're at 28. Yesterday, we were at 27. Last week, 28. Last month, 66. Well, let's go to the liquidation heat map. Let's refresh this. We're going to look at the 24-hour time frame. This is going to give us, hopefully, some luck. 24-hour time frame. Boring. Nothing. We have some liquidations up here. 28. Joe, move your big head. We have liquidations up here. 28.76 million. Sitting at 114. And we have some more liquidations. 28 million. Sitting at 115. Then here's when we get to some nice liquidations. 28 million. 24 million, 10 million, 37 million. So we have more liquidations to the top just because a lot of people right now are shorting. There's a lot of people right now shorting. Could we go up and take this before coming down? Sure. Could we go down first and then come up? Sure. So one thing that I always recommend is, of course, trade level by level, because it only makes sense. The price cannot come up here. It cannot, unless it breaks this level. Just because it breaks the level, does it mean it's going up here? No. It could maybe get really close to this liquidation and reverse, just to get all the liquidity down here. So just because it breaks level doesn't mean that it will go, but it just makes sense. It's closer to getting this area if it breaks. That's the only way it can get closer is if it breaks the level. All right. Now let's see here. I can't stand NX Space personally. Nothing against Billy or them. I just wanted some video. Same here. For me, and I brought this up last time when Crypto Billy was doing an X Space and a YouTube video. I went to the YouTube part because, again, I like seeing them. And I like that on YouTube when they're using their programs to, all join together, the audio is equal. Versus on X, and I mentioned this last time, I wish there was like an equalizer that X had, because some people, it's really quiet, some are really loud, so it's really hard to kind of adjust it. And then you can't even adjust the volume. It is what it is on your computer. So I don't, there's a few things that Elon Musk, I know you're watching, Elon Musk, please, for the love of God, put it to where it equalizes the volume coming in from the different mics. Not only that, but have a volume on X. That's all I gotta say. Thanks. All right. See here. I've been scalping with gold, really, for the time. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. If you want to check out that one, let me know. So let's see if we can get into a scalp. So if you want to do that, let me know. Al says 111.7 Bitcoin for a possible retest of the highs for a lower high. Possibly that liquidity heat map on the weekly chart is looking like my flower now. Downside. Oh no. Smash the like, Elon. Yes. Smash the like. Stop messing around. Smash the like. And don't be a lurker either. Let us know you're here. Let us know you're here. All right. So let's look at Clash. All right. So Clash hasn't done anything. It needs to break this level for us to do anything. It looks like it wants to break this level. It hasn't bounced off of it yet. It came down to it, wicked, came down again, wicked. Looking pretty weak right now. So we really wanted to find support right here to go up, catch this resistance, maybe come down and then break this. This is when we can enter, but right now we can't do anything. Let us look at Pumpy. Pumpy is dead. I think it's not doing well. The next one is Dog Go. Where's this one at? Double click here. Holy smokes. This is why I'm saying, guys, like these coins, can they make you a lot of money? Sure. But if you're not in and out, you could lose all of your money. And then not only that, you know, let's say you make 40% or 200% or even 400%. And then you keep on holding it because you think it's going to keep on going up. It's going to give you a 40x because it's such low market cap. And then it dumps, it rugs. So it's a fine line you got to dance when it comes to that stuff, because if you don't take your profits, it could all go away. But if you do take your profits and it runs up, well, then you make significantly less because, well, you took profits. And it's always the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda at the end of the day. You know, it's like, oh man, I would have made this, or I could have done this, or I should have sold. Nobody knows what's going to happen. The only thing that I can recommend, of course, none of this is financial advice. Take profits when you can. And don't beat yourself up if the price goes, because again, nobody knows. It could do this. Look at this. Okay. So if anybody has any coins, let me know. If not, we'll look at some of these coins, man. Now I want to show you all something. I've been working on this. What are those? Those are dots. This is my deviation dots. Basically, this is what I teach. Hey, we got Crypto Change Me in the house. What's up, man? Dude, is that... So I'm sure everybody now is subscribed to Crypto Change Me. This guy is an absolute beast. And he had a giveaway, a $200 giveaway, gave to Alexandra G won it, but she, in her comment, she said, if I win, you know, basically pay it forward, you know, giver's gain. And then Crypto Change Me's buddy won it, and he said the same thing in the comment, if I get it, you know, pay it forward. So that's just amazing. And then one person won it, $200. Can you imagine winning $200 just for leaving a comment? Make sure to follow Crypto Change Me. He's gonna be doing more of those, you know, in the future. The more subscribers he has, more likes, more comments. Follow the dude, and he knows how to trade. I don't BS you guys, you know that. Morals, ethics, integrity. I don't just say those words. They're not just words in a book that I read. It's like, oh, I'm gonna do this. No, like this is how I live my life. And for the people who bamboozle you, I make sure it's not popular, but I make sure to tell you about it so that I'm protecting you. This guy right here, no bamboozle. Like he tells you how it is. And I like the way he talks to you, just real straightforward. So definitely, guys, if you haven't already, Crypto Change Me. Dude's he's a real one. He is a real one. So if you're not already, definitely subscribe to him. This dude, he's killing it. Oh, let me did okay. Crypto Change Me. And then let me know in the comments who y'all want to go to today. Right here. This guy's really good. Hopefully y'all already subscribed to him. Killing it on the subscribers. Oh my gosh. And I had a really good feeling that the dude was gonna absolutely. You're a beast. You are a beast. Yeah, I'm subscribed. Very nice. I love it. Yeah, dude's great. Dude's great. It really is. All right. So again, I'm not gonna look, even though I just saw it, but I just acted like I didn't see it, the viewer count, because whenever I see that, it's like, you know what, I'm done. Bye. See ya. But nobody knows. Hopefully, people know that I'm here at 9, and I just got to do streams more at 9. But okay, so let's get back to this. So this is pretty much how I trade. You don't need to join my group so I can give you this indicator. I'm still testing it, but and I'm gonna give this to my group if they want it. But you don't need to join my group to get this indicator. You don't need to pay me for this indicator. This is what I teach. What do I teach? This is kind of just showing the momentum. It's my momentum indicator. So If the price action is above one of these, it's good. It's above two of them, well then it's just stronger. If it's above three of them, well then it's pretty strong. What are things that I am always talking about? 9 SMA or a moving average, the 30 SMA or a slower moving average, and then your VWAP, because all these are averages. So if the price action is above it, well then, if it's above one, we have one circle. And it's just a really quick reference to be like, okay, it's strong right now. Oh wait, no, this week it started getting weak and it could have continued coming down, but then, oh no, we're getting strong again. Really strong. Oh, we're getting strong again. It's kind of getting weaker though. Oh, we're weak. Oh no, wait, we're strong. Okay, we're strong now. Oh wait, we're getting weak. Never mind. So again, it's not the indicator flipping and flopping. It's reacting to what the price is doing based off of those three things. And eventually, you know, it's going to catch it to where it's going to either go, you know, nothing but greens or nothing but reds. So we can go over here. It's just something I've been messing with, you know, just like I already see this stuff, but it's just a good thing to see, you know. Oh, here, yes, granted, we can see that it's strong, but okay, here we're showing strength, but then, we start losing it. It's on the 4 hour. Losing it. Even though the price is kind of doing its thing, kind of coming up, we're still not in the clear. And then, we got our first, our second, and our third. And this is on the 4 hour. Could this change? Yeah, sure. It just needs to close above one of these, and then now it changes. So that's what this is. This is red light, green light. I should name that indicator that. Red light, green light. That'd be funny. Red light, green lights. I don't know. I like it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I think volume, breakout, momentum finder. Oh, no, that's not it. That's something. This one. I think momentum dots is kind of lame. Red light, green light sounds better. But yeah, that's my indicator. And then I have this other one that I've been playing with. This one is my volume. Now, granted, Trader Main already has this, and that's what this stuff is down here. This is based off of the volume. I don't like it, the Trader Main one where it has it on the candles, because then it makes blocks and it's just messy, too messy for me. But here I have this to where it pretty much signals when his signal based off of my tweaking. So here we had volume coming in, and that's what this is showing, just volume. And I have my bingo bangos, but here's volume, here's increased volume, here's increased volume, and then now it starts kind of rolling over. Hey, we got Wixwi 589 in the house. What's going on? Appreciate you being here. But that's what that is showing. And then here is showing when there was volume, the market maker's really pushing it down. Now, granted, I have this to where it says short, but so this one, yeah. You know, I can take that off. But anyway, it's just something I'm messing with. Just some indicators. But again, it's pretty much what I do already. And again, you don't need this, you know, because Trader Main already has one. All right, moving on. So what I do want to show you, we're not looking good on the 4 hour, according to the dots, the red light, green light. On the 1 hour, whoa, wowzers. Just red. So why? Because, well, we're underneath our stuff. Here it was green. It was doing good. And then flip. Flip. And then just keeps on. So this will show me once it breaks above one of the three, the VWAP or the 9 SMA or the 30 SMA, then instead of it being all red, well, now it'll have a dot down here saying, okay, we're changing. It's like, okay, hopefully we can start going up. But right now, the momentum, and that's what it's showing me, the momentum, not good. Not good at all. All right. Just here to hit the like button, and I'm out. Hey, awesome. Well, I appreciate you greatly. I know CryptoBilly is streaming right now, I believe, on X. Plus, you know, everybody's getting adjusted to my time frame, so it's all good. It is all good. Let's see here. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute. Market makers pushing it down. Boom, boom. And it's not looking good. Nothing but red dots. We haven't crossed up yet. All right, so now that I've showed you my just kinking around with some indicators, now let's look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. This is where we were at last night. Last night, I was saying, more than likely, maybe, I don't know, come up here to maybe the 1, 2, 3 area. This is 12% of a retrace from the top, but maybe come up to here to this level, possibly come down, retest here, maybe come down to here, maybe bounce. And then this is what I'm looking for, or potentially this. Now, this was my A. This is my A. This is saying that hopefully, because we're, really close to November, hopefully we can finally start, seeing some nice moves. Granted, we've had some nice moves recently, but this is what I'm looking at potentially happening. This was a video that I made this morning for my VIP group, basically saying, here's our level, and this is the level we need to break. And if we do break it, well, then here's our resistance level right around 117 that we might get a rejection off of. And if we do, hopefully we only pull back a little bit, about 115-ish before maybe breaking up. We need this like so bad. However, it looks like this part is happening. So we came down, we came up, and now we're coming down. Now, here's our next level of a potential bounce, right around 111.5. 111.5 is our potential bounce to come up, and then maybe do this. It's not looking strong though. I mean, hey, we got Meet Damien in the house. What's up, Meet Damien? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. But yeah, I mean, like right now, it's not looking good. It really isn't. And of course, for those of you who know, then you know that we also give Meet Damien a shout out. He's growing his subscribers. He's grown a lot on YouTube, like a lot. And he's really big on TikTok. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe to him and show him some love. Subscribe, watch his videos, watch his live streams, participate, smash the like, leave comments. If you're scrolling through, I was going to say Amazon. If you're scrolling through YouTube shorts and you happen to see some of his shorts, smash the like, leave a comment. All that's engagement, and YouTube likes it. But yeah, he's been killing it. Man, almost 500. Jeez. Tell you what, that's really good, man. Tell you what. All right, let's go back to this. Hey, we got Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. Yeah, definitely smash the like. Smash the like. All right, so let's get back to the Bitcoin. Oh, man, not looking good. I want to do a short with you, or I want to do a trade with y'all. So hopefully we can find something. If y'all have something, and we're looking for a scalp, just something just really quick. Hopefully, in and out in like maybe a couple hours. That's what we're looking for. We did link last night. Oh, okay, so what do I think about Bitcoin? I'm looking for a bounce. Like we're getting close to it. It's not looking, man, it's so not looking strong. Now, let's just kind of zoom out. Let's zoom out and let's look at what's been happening. Okay, so let's take off all the drawings. Let's just look. Price went up, then sideways. Very boring. This is on the daily. Came down, took some of this liquidity, shot up because everybody's going short, and the market makers love to, everybody has their stop losses here, maybe even here above this wick, maybe here. Boom, right to it. Good Lord. Then it came down. We wanted to not break this level. Sure enough, it bounced off of it. Good, giving people hope. Everybody starts longing. Boom, comes down for this liquidity. Ah, crap. Starts coming up. Okay, maybe we can catch the bottom. All these people who call the bottom, they call the bottom here, they call the bottom here, they call the bottom here. Then when it goes up, I told you, I called the bottom. Okay. And then it comes up, breaks this level. Awesome. Let's go. Moon mission. We get in, and then it goes up, and then, retrace is good. Retrace to about here, which it did. It went a little lower than I would like. To now we need a fight to break this. Nope. Came down. Boom. More than likely, hopefully people who trade, you know, order blocks, demand zones. There's probably fair value gaps in here, but hopefully people got into that and then they were able to. Well, we heard about all of them on X. Look how great I am. Join my group. Blah blah blah. We heard that, and sure enough, man, it just boomed, went up higher highs, all-time high. Oh, let's go. Moon mission and phone. Because normally, you know, when it gets all-time high, it'll keep on running because everybody loves rushing to buy when all-time highs. But that didn't last long. I thought it was going to go up higher and then come down maybe to here. You know, nice support here, nice retracement to about here, about 119, before going up again, or just seeing what it's going to do. Straight shot, just foam, just liquidated everybody. Of course, we all know what happened here. I was in some, and I'm sure everybody else was too, low leverage trades, 2x, 3x. And these trades, these are longer term holds, liquidated. Price, that's the risk we take doing leverage. That's the risk we take. Did I like it? Nope. Did it hurt? It was more of a disgusting feeling. More of a disgusting feeling. And then it came up, came down, broke this level, came down some more. And then now it's, you know, it broke this level, which is good. This is a very strong level, guys. 110.5, very strong level. We found it as support. We found it as resistance. And then we can kind of just track it back here too. But we did come up and now we're coming down. I would not be surprised. Let's put this back on. We kind of look at this. I would not be surprised if it comes down to at least, let's go to a smaller time frame, to at least a 0.5. Hopefully. We'll see. You know, kind of went over this yesterday as far as I'm thinking we might go up before coming down, possibly bounce here, the 382, then come up. We can see more of this on the 1 hour time frame. We did kind of bounce, we went up and then we came down, which that's what this is showing. Come here, bounce, come up, possibly come down to this. Now, and this is the part that I hate, is I hate the waiting. Who hates waiting? Put a 1 in the chat if you hate waiting. Good Lord, I hate the waiting. Now, we have to look and see what's going to happen next. Are we going to bounce here? And then here's our decision point. Are we going to attack this to continue going up? And then maybe retrace and then continue going up? Or are we just going to roll over and then maybe bounce here or maybe bounce here? Like, that's the part I hate. I hate the waiting. But now we have to. Now, granted, if you took a short, you know, great, good for you. One thing I love about my group is none of us are bullish. Now, granted, it's not an echo chamber. We all have our different opinions, you know, and of course, you know, it goes up and everything, but none of us are bullish. I mean, just on the larger time frames. Let's go back here. I mean, look, we need to break this high. We haven't broken it on the daily. And one thing I love about the group is, like, all these guys, they're and females, they look at the bigger picture, you know, and of course they're looking at USD dominance and everything else. But I mean, we see it right here, clear as day. It hasn't broken. You know, once we break, then we can potentially start getting bullish. But it's not looking good. Looking very boring. All right, that's all I got on that. Let's see here. There's a big order block at 1092. 1092. Yeah, right here. We'll see. We'll see if it comes down. See, the only thing that I don't like, let's just say it does that. Let's go to a smaller time frame, 4 hour. Let's just say it does, you know, come down to 109.2. Say it comes down to here. I'm afraid of this, man. Boop. And then hopefully bounce. Oh man, I don't like it. And this, who's with me on this? Oh my gosh, this alt season, I'm supposed to be a millionaire. I'm supposed to be a millionaire. Nope. Okay, we'll look at it with you, Chris. So Chris is looking at Caspa, AVAX, and Turbo. I want to get into a trade. That's what I want to do. I have patience tattooed on my left arm, and I've had it since I was 20. So 18 years now, and still has a second. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, that's funny. Okay, so here's AVAX. Oof. So AVAX, we actually entered on the 26th, 2 days ago. We're thinking that it was going to come down to maybe bounce here, then come up, and then we're looking for a bounce here. We did come up, but we didn't bounce. It's on the 4-hour time frame. We did not bounce. Ooh. Okay, fine. Come in here to the middle of this range, and it's starting to, not go down. It's starting to kind of level off, which is good. It's giving people time to buy, and then meh. So now what I'm looking at, if we don't bounce here, man, it's gonna be hard with Bitcoin coming down. Let's go here to the middle. So now we need to wait for this to break. And we'll do this one in this color. And the 4-hour candle has to close. So 4-hour candle has to close. 4-hour candle has to close above 20. Oh no, the alert. Oh no, the level is 20.798. If the 4-hour candle closes above that, then we can enter this trade. But right now, too dangerous. And then if you're in this trade from 2 days ago, there's a chance we may get stopped out. There's a pretty good chance. I mean, we could come down here and take this and then come up. But again, it all really relies on Bitcoin. So I'm going to set an alert here. Set alert. Let's change this color. I got to change the color now. Let's do it to a yellow. No. All right, that much colors. This color. Okay. So that one is AVAX. Turbo, I don't have. What's this other AVAX? Oh, it's the same thing. So let me cancel that one. Let us look at. What's this one? This one's so dumb. Oh, we longed it, and then look at this. Right to our stop loss. Right to our stop loss. And then it went up. It didn't even hit our first target. And then right to our stop loss again. Here's where all the buys are at. Right in here. Dirty people. All right, let's do Caspa. Caspa. Let's go 4-hour. I think on this one, we're looking for a short, weren't we? I forget. So the alert went off for our long. This was our little zone that we drew way over here. And you can see that it just held And then we finally broke out. We broke this. Man, I think it's going to pull back to this level, 0.05448, before potentially going up. Kind of looks ugly though. I don't like this sideways action. This would be a nice healthy retracement. Going any lower, we have the risk of it, you know, treating this as resistance and then just rolling over. But this one, I do think it's going to come down. We might take that as a short, a scalp. Turbo. Let us look at Turbo. What's this one? Virtuals. Virtuals, we were doing a short. Oh, this was in the group, the VIP group. This one did really nice, moving our stop loss. And no, there's not it's a short. Oh yeah, we just took this little bitty baby, and then man, and look at this. This is nasty right here. Huge pump just to take it all back. That's nasty. Let us look at Turbo. Turbo, anybody have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, coins? Like, let's make money together. Turbo, looking boring. Could it go from here? Sure. But it's looking, I love Turbo. How cute is that? It's a turtle. It's a turtle. Named Turbo. I'll buy it just for that. Crypto Jamie says 2025 feels like a bear market. It does, man. I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. So yeah. Sucks. I have a futures buy entry order at 111.5 for Bitcoin, waiting for it to hit. There you go. That's smart. That's smart. Bitcoin filling the CME gap tonight. I don't know what the CME gap level is. I never look at that stuff. I never look at what's the ticker? I always forget. I don't look at it. Do I have it under the? What's the ticker for the CME gap? Do I have it under markets? I know it's Bitcoin 1 or something. Bitcoin this? Is that this? Yeah, CME futures. Yeah, so it's hitting it right now. Yeah, so why do I not look at CME gaps? Because to me, if, let's say, let me look. So here we had a CME gap and we took it. But what if the price did this and then we're in the bear market and then finally we come up and then we hit it. We hit the CME gap finally. Yeah. If the price goes up, it's going to hit it. If the price goes down, it's going to hit it. Here, price went down and hit it. Just because there's a CME gap doesn't mean that it will hit it. It just means that if it goes down, it's like a cause and effect that it will. I mean, it could. And if it does, well, then it hits it. I don't trade that way. I know a lot of traders trade that way. But to me, it's kind of like here's a CME gap. And then guess what? We came down and we hit it. Any others? Well, here was another one. And we came down and hit it. You know, if we come down, we're, in my opinion, and I could be completely wrong, but we don't come down to hit it. We come down, and as a result, we hit it. That's how I look at it. Here, coming down, taking it. Do I think we'll take all of it? Possible. 2011? Possible. What's this over here? Oh yeah, 111.5. So here's my bounce zone. So if we come down here, so yeah. Let's see here. Let's see, that sucks when that happens. It's wicked down to my stop loss too many times. Yeah. Yeah, for me, like I've, and that's what happened to my, look at Link. Look at Link. Oh wait, well, it came down more. Never mind. But look at Link. And we went, tap, and then first target. Like, are you kidding me? And then broke this level, and then it didn't come back. Oh, Link long right now. I'm gonna go long on Link right now. It's gonna be a hopefully a quick trade, but I'm gonna go long on Link just to give you all a heads up. I'm entering right now. Come on, entering right now. It's gonna do blue. I'll do. My leverage. Come on, my leverage is gonna be. I'll do a 20x again. I'm gonna do Link long 20x leverage again. Link long, and I'll explain it in just a second. Link 20x leverage market. I'm gonna enter stop loss. Oh yeah, dang it. Sorry, I forgot to put that on there. Stop loss. It's gonna be that right there. Stop loss. Okay. Want to make sure I'm okay with losing the amount of money that I put in there. Okay. Okay, cool. So I just entered this. I did a 20x leverage, and I'll explain it to you in just a second. I went long right, yeah. So just to show you, I'm gonna have a lower entry. So and I mention this all the time. I have two entries. I have the one I enter on, and then a lower entry. So let me get my lower entry by doing my little cheat sheet, my 5 SMAs, and then my VWAP. So my lower entry is going to be right here. My lower entry is going to be right here. So let's do lower entry. And I have way too many things on my chart. Okay, and I'm gonna fix that in a second. This box, I'll keep that box. Keep that box. I think that's it. Okay, so I do think that even though we're coming up, no FOMO or nothing, but I saw the break of this. We're on the 3-minute time frame. More than likely, we're above our moving averages, hopefully, and sure enough, we were, which is good. This is the level that I wanted it to break. I mean, this is the level that I saw. And then we're breaking it. And then if it pulls back, which is fine, hopefully we get our lower entry before potentially going up. My first target is over here. So it's almost a 1-to-1. Joe, you're a horrible trader. Why would you do that? You at least do a one. Calm down. That's my first target. Y'all guys get so crazy. Copy. Paste. That's my first target. And then my second target. Right here. So question. Why do I enter and then have a lower entry? Why don't I just enter and then that's it? Well, or why don't I wait for my lower entry to hit? There's a better question. Well, the reason I don't wait for the lower entry to hit before entering the trade is because, well, it could take off. It could just go it kind of like, I was gonna say this, but the opposite, and go like this, go, 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 and then retrace it here, and then go, 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 go. So what I want to do is I want to enter the trade right now. If we put our, can I put all these my stuff on here? Let's go indicators. Let's go to scripts. Oh, I didn't save it. Dang it. But I have another one. That one. Crap, man. I wish I would have saved it. But forget what I called it. Moving average deviations. I need to call it red light, green light. It had some moving average deviation or something. Anyway, right now I got my bingo bangles, so the market makers are pushing it. I need to save the indicator because I keep on messing with it. But my bingo bangles are there, which is good. Oh, this is on the defaults. Why do I have it on this? So let's go save. Let's just look at this really quick. Let's go link. And we can see here we have 1 dot, we have 3 dots, we have 3 dots. I'm not saying that it can't change, but this is the beginning of potentially it coming up. So we'll see. This is in the 15-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, though, one that we're actually trading on, we have our volume. You know, market makers pushing it. Market makers pushing it. Here wasn't looking too hot. And then we can see that it's changing the momentum, changing the strength. So again, these are indicators that I've been working on. And these are basically what I always show and teach. It's just a visualization of what I'm showing. Here, not looking too hot because, you know, we're starting to come down, bringing all these moving averages in the VWAP. And then this is showing you, hey, wait a minute. It might be changing. We'll see. And then here it's like, okay. But this can change at any moment. At any moment. But that's what I see when I just look at this. Let's take off this. That's what I would see when I look at this. And it's really nice too. It had this dump. And then now hopefully come up, come down, come up. We'll see. Oh, let me put my lower entry. Hey, wait a minute. Why does my stop loss look funny? Oh, I have a different time frame. Jeez, what a rookie. Okay. So let me put this as a limit order now. Copy. This is my stop loss. I'm gonna check the chat in just a second. Joe, we're gonna lose again on the link. I hope not. But right now I'm doing my lower entry with my stop loss. Lower entry is at. Oh, let me view up. Let me take off the volume thing. Oh. See, it takes the price off there because then it gets me confused. My lower entry is 17.832. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Long 20x. Confirm. Okay, right there on the VWAP. Let's go. Okay, so let me go back to y'all. Let's see here. A turtle named Turbo is ironic, and I love it. It's like me naming my female cat Floki. It's just Bitcoin for the futures, but CME exchange. Thank you, my friend. Let's see, trade intuition, add the whatever. Okay. Let's do it. Indicator. I'm gonna search it. ANCE. I don't see it. CME. This one? Oh, okay. That's by that person. Okay, so I'll start. So this is. Did I add it to my chart? I don't even know. Okay. Holy smokes! Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Thank you, Al. Appreciate that. That's pretty cool. Thank you, man. I think there's still a Bitcoin CME gap at it hasn't been filled yet. Yeah. And that's why a lot of people say that too. They're like, oh yeah, it's going to go down to 10K or whatever. It's like, maybe. I doubt it though. I doubt it. It's so cold up in here. I got, of course I moved and I have my beanie that I don't know where it's at, and my gloves, I don't know where it's at. They were in my jacket, but then I took them out to wash them before I moved over here, and I put them somewhere. I don't know, but they're so small. I don't know. They're small articles of clothing, I guess, compared to, clothing. So I got on Amazon and I said, you know what? I'm buying me another one. So I got me one of these. Now I'm ready to go stand by Home Depot. Ooh, was that racist? Not if I say it. If you say it, I don't even care. But I got me these. I got me some. I don't know why, man. I bought me some more of those thermal socks. I have like a lot of them already, and some gloves. Not the expensive gloves, just the real cheap gloves. I should have went to like the dollar store, the Dollar General, or whatever they're called. I should have went to one of those. I could probably got it for like $2. But got some gloves. I think it was like $5 or $8. I forget what they charged. What else did I buy? Oh, I bought some other stuff, some stuff to keep me warm. Let's see. It's one of my mini hidden, but always handy. It's one of my mini hidden. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. I like that. See here. Note to trade intuition. Make a couple with your logo. I should. That'd be pretty cool. Let's see here. When Floki's Angel and I moved, a few of our things got scattered too. I have to, yeah, man. Like I was going crazy looking for my hoodie jacket. It's lighter and it's not for super cold weather, but it's good to cover your head. And I was going crazy looking for it for a few days, really. And granted, I just looked at like 10 minutes. And I really haven't like unpacked here, because I plan to be here just for a little bit, maybe a year or two, hopefully no more than that, but we'll see. So I'm not like unpacking everything to like live in. It's just to be here. And I have, storage thing for my clothes, and I couldn't find it. Then I'm going through all my storage things. I couldn't find it. And then this morning, I went and I was like, oh, here it is. Because I saw the zipper. I was like, oh, here it is. Let's see. Do I have tattoos? Yes. But these aren't tattoos, though. This is just a sleeve thing. But yeah. It's funny. I used to use these when I was a nurse. And I'd always wear them. And everybody would always ask me, oh, story time. Story time. Everybody would ask, Joe, are you all sleeved out? Is that why you wear these things? And first, from far away, they think that they're tattoos. And it's like, no, man, it just kind of icks me out, helping out the elderly, because they fell or whatever. And you got to put your arms underneath their arms and all their armpits sweat and all their dead skin. Ooh, just freaks me out. And, and they would always call me because I'm a guy, and two, I'm a, pretty big guy, whatever. And so I'd go and I'd help them up, and I'd have all that. But yeah, it was funny. There'd be times where I'd be doing that, and I would get the bleach wipes, and I'd be just clean myself off with the bleach wipes. Story time. Yeah, it was fun. I'll give you one more story. Oh no, no more stories. But let's check out our trade. Let us look at our trade. Ah, man. I wanted to come down here. Let's put on our deviation dots. Okay. Our red light, green light. That's what I'm gonna call this one. Momentum dots is just boring. I'm gonna call it, this is gonna be my indicator, red light, green light. That's what I'm gonna do. Right now we got the bingo bangles happening. We got the volume kicking in. That's what these are showing. Lots of selling pressure. Well, the market makers. Boom. And got the bingo bangles. Got two bingo bangles in a row. Let's go. Right now, hopefully we're breaking above our 9, and hopefully we can close above it. We'll see. All right, Al, I appreciate you, man, for being here. You're the best. You're the best, man. Appreciate you. Thank you for the heads up on that indicator. Oh, it's so cold. I have my jacket right behind me, but then I was gonna be all in black because my jacket's dark color, and then a beanie. But yeah. Ooh, I love the cold weather. Pretty soon I'll be breaking out my heated blanket. I got 2 of them. One, like standing up, it would be like maybe to my chest. So then I bought another one. It's like a queen size, I guess. I don't know. I haven't opened it. I bought it last year. Didn't open it. But I feel like I'm gonna be opening it probably in the next maybe couple weeks. Oh, look at this. You see how that gray dot showed up? But now we have these dots. So that's what the red light, green light is. Oh, we're at our hour. I'm gonna see, but I'm not gonna freak out or nothing. I'm gonna look. Kind of boring. Let's see here. Let's go back to this. So right now, see how it's underneath the 9, and we're getting our first warning. If it closes underneath the 9, then that'll stick, just like how this one. So that's our first, like, uh-oh. But then we closed above it, so it's like, oh, never mind. Let's see here. Momentum dots. We'll see. Soon I'll be wearing long johns. Yeah, I actually, I bought some long johns. Well, it's, I would consider them long johns, but it's a, you know, a top and a bottom, but it's for cold weather. I bought those too. Pretty excited about it. We'll see. I'm waiting for Link to come down to 1781. 1781. Okay, a little bit lower than mine. Hopefully. Looks like it might. Let's see. But I'm looking for the upside. I think we'll stream for about another 10 minutes. Who's streaming right now? I think, what day is this? Did I click the right one? Let's see here. Redirect. We got Road Dog. Man, I wish Road Dog, and I talked to him about it too. It's not like I'm talking behind his back. I wish Road Dog read his comments more. I really do. Like, he'll read, and he doesn't even read the comments. He just sees the names and he says hi, but he doesn't read. He reads like 2% of the comments. And I was like, man, I just wish he read it more. And then, like, an hour into his show, he'll say hi to his fans. It's like, come on, man. I love Road Dog, but I was like, Road Dog, please. Let's see, who else is showing? That's it? Just Road Dog? Lunar Beach is not showing? I guess we can go to Road Dog, and I guarantee it, he's not gonna see anything, and he's not gonna. I guarantee it. He's not gonna see it, but we'll wait like 10 minutes. Normally his songs or his intro is like 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Lunar Beaches, I didn't see Lunar. Let me check again. Yeah, and I tell Road Dog, is, dude, you have like 40 viewers and you don't even talk to them. Like, what's... I'm like, I don't know. I said, man, they just come to you because it's you. Like, they really like you, man. You're funny as heck. I don't see... Oh, Lunar Beaches didn't fix it. That's why. Because we need to do something on our end to be allowed, to allow people. So we just go over there and then we'll say trade intuition raid, and then we'll say, dude, fix your freaking thing, dude. I guess you didn't have time to allow forwarding. Back face. Okay. So we'll go see him. Copy. Let me pause it so that he says anything. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and put that in there. And that's going to be the stream. I do thank you guys very much. We will see you on the next one. And as always, I appreciate you guys greatly. You guys have no idea. Let's see. Yeah, Road Dog does kind of, not kind of, he does 100%. He does not read the freaking chat. I mean, it's a great way to get more donations because, you know, it makes a noise and he'll read those. But like there's times where I'll tell him something and he won't read it for like 45 minutes, maybe an hour and a half if I'm lucky. And then sometimes he'll just say, "Oh, here's Joe," and then he won't read the comments. It's like, come on, dude. See here. I'm gonna head out for the night. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. Same here. We're gonna go to the reaches. I appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm doing 2 streams at, well, I'm doing 3 really. I'm gonna be on Crypto Coin Mindset at 11. From there, we're gonna go to my channel at 12, and then I'm gonna do another live stream at 9 p.m. So there you go. All right. That's all I got. I do thank you, and we will talk to you on the next one. Take care, guys. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate you, man. See you soon.